everyone. Today we are going to learn Christmas is Coming. This is an old children's folk song, but it is also around, and it is really easy to learn because there's only 3 chords. The first is G, the second is C, and the last is D. Let's learn where the chords go. So we start with G. Christmas is coming, the goose is getting fat. The next one is C. Please put a penny in the... Now, old man's hat is G, D, G. On each word, you're going to move your fingers. It'll go old man's hat. Try it. Old man's hat. So that's a little bit tricky. Let's do it a couple more times. Ready? Begin. Old man's hat. Old man's hat. If you're still struggling with that, this is a good time to pause the video and practice a few more times. Next part of the song starts on G, goes to C, and back to G, like this. If you haven't got a penny, a halfpenny will do. If you haven't got a halfpenny. And for God bless you, we're going to go C, D, G. God bless you. Let's try it. God bless you. Let's try this a couple more times to make sure we have it. God bless you. Again. God bless you. Now, if you need to work on this a little bit more, again, pause the video or even go back to the beginning again and make sure you know the chords well. The intro to this song is going to go from G to C, D, and then back to G again in this pattern. You're doing great, so let's move on and learn the strumming pattern, and it will go like this. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Here we go. Christmas is coming, the goose is getting fat. Please put a penny in the old man's hat. If you haven't got a penny, a halfpenny will do. If you haven't got a halfpenny, then God bless you. As I told you at the beginning of the video, this song is also around. So now that you know it, find a few friends and sing it together. Is getting fat. Please put a penny in the goose is getting fat. If you haven't got a penny, the goose is getting fat. If you haven't got a penny, God bless you. If you haven't got a penny, God bless you. If you haven't got a halfpenny, then God bless you. If you are interested in learning more Christmas carols, check them out right over here. Hope to see you again. God bless.